In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit artifacts in Claude AI. If you're new to artifacts, think of them as living documents that Claude can generate and then refine with you in real time. They might be outlines, drafts, plans, or even structured content. The beauty here is that you don't have to manually rewrite sections yourself. You simply describe what you want changed, and Claude updates the artifact for you. Start by opening the artifact you want to edit. With it visible on your screen, go to the chat and type a clear message explaining exactly what you want adjusted. Be as specific as you can. For example, you could say, change the title to Project Overview and make the introduction more concise. That single message gives Claude both a structural change and a stylistic direction, which helps it deliver a clean, targeted revision. When you write your prompt, include context that matters. If there's a particular audience, tone, or length you're aiming for, say so. You might note, keep the tone professional but friendly, or condense the summary to about 3 sentences. If you need formatting maintained, specify that too, like keeping headings, bullet structure, or section names intact. Referencing sections by their names or quoting a line you want rewritten makes the request even clearer. After you send your message, Claude will generate an updated version of the artifact based on your instructions. Take a moment to review the changes. If something is not quite right, just follow up in the same chat and tell Claude what to change next. Iteration is part of the process. For instance, you can say, "That's close. Keep the new title, but restore the 3rd paragraph and shorten the conclusion instead." You're still doing the same action, telling Claude what to change, just refining your guidance. A few quick tips to get consistent results. Give measurable guidance when possible, such as word counts or character limits. Highlight must-keep details so they aren't removed, and clarify whether you want light edits or a more substantial rewrite. If you're working with sensitive material, avoid pasting confidential information and summarize instead. This keeps your workflow safe while still giving Claude enough direction to help. That's the entire flow. Open the artifact you want to improve, describe the edits you need in plain language, and let Claude produce the updated version. Then, iterate with simple follow-up prompts until it matches your vision. With this approach, you'll edit faster, keep your structure intact, and arrive at a polished artifact with far less effort.